Char. Hi. It's a wonderful morning.
Say hi, Shazad. Say hi. Nothing. Why? No.
Japanese student design smart bra with unlocks only with partners.
I highly recommend corner view. Ayan. Dito lang siya sa maybe because Kuya make bola-bola to me. You want bola-bola?
Bola-bola.
Means
Ano bola-bola? Bola-bola.
Hi guys, good morning. Ayan. And welcome to my vlog. Hi. It's a wonderful morning and currently it's now 7:45. Papunta tayo ng kumpanya natin. Ayan. And it's our day 52. Woo! Ayan. Ito na po siya. Guys, may nakikita na po talaga akong may nakikita na akong medyo counting improvement sa buhok natin. And I'm so happy and I'm so, parang medyo relaxed na ako a bit kasi feeling ko may nangyayari na. And there's really time for everything. So, nasa Bible yan, di ba? There's a time for everything. So, be patient sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, yung goal mo ngayon. Kung hindi man siya agad-agad may bibigay sa'yo, ay wait lang talaga tayo patiently. As long as masaya tayo sa ginagawa natin, and this is for your own good, for our own good, okay yan. Tara, punta na tayo dun sa, sa company natin. And of course, hindi natin kakaligtaan itong ating wonderful cup. Kasi guys, mainit sa labas. So, kailangan protected pa rin yung hair natin at the same time yung skin. Yung skin! Diba? Ba't ako nalinigaw? Ayan guys, super... Saan siya na? Ayan. So, piniprepare ko lang yung bag ko. Ayan. Kumusta yung mga araw ninyo guys? Mawawala na po ng ilaw. Ang ganda ng sunlight. Feeling ko ang fresh ko today. Ang fresh ko, no? Ang fresh ko. Thank you. Saglit. Hi! May sasakyan. Naglalakad na ako papuntang parking lot kung saan nakapark yung car natin. Hinahatid ko yung isang car lift ko sa Business Bay. Then after Business Bay ay dadiretso tayo sa office. Wala, saan nakapark yung car? Wala, nakalimutan ko. Ayun. Nakakalimutan ko minsan kung saan ko pinapark. Ito yung car. Tanan! Happy lang tayo for today's video. Mamaya may gagawin tayo. Char. I'm back guys. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Ayan, nahatid ko na yung friend natin sa office niya. Dinrop natin siya dito sa Business Bay. And ngayon ay nakapark ako for a bit just to talk to you in a while. Kumusta kayo? Kumusta ang araw ninyo? Sana ay maayos. Expectant ako ngayon to expectant or expectant ako today na may maayos at may magandang mangyayari sa araw natin ngayon. Hopefully ay maganda talaga guys. Yun naman talaga yung ni-aim natin sa pang araw-araw. Ito yung buhok ko ngayon. Hopefully ay nakikita siya sa sa screen. O yung mukha ko lang talaga kasi nakaano siya kung saan yung mukha ko sunod siya ng sunod. Hindi pa rin ako nakapag-breakfast. Patuloy pa rin sisimulan ulit natin yung intermittent fasting.
more on protein. Yeah, more on protein diet tayo. Yung sa workout naman, hindi tayo mag-workout today, as I said earlier, kasi may gagawin tayo later. And ipa-vlog ko yun. So, don't you worry, guys. Malalaman nyo kung anong gagawin natin. Mag-i-edit lang naman. Charot lang. Patuloy pa rin yung pag-a-apply natin sa mga products. And excited ako kasi patapos na yung, magsa second month na tayo. So, pwede na ako makapag-meso mesotherapy, yung binili nating products sa Smile Hair Clinic. Shout out Smile Hair Clinic. The best hair clinic in the world, as I can say, so far. And that's for sure. Yeah, just check their Instagram, guys. Just type Smile Hair Clinic and you will see a lot of testimonies and a lot of videos and hair care videos as well. After you've done your surgery, may hot couple na paparating video. Ewan ko kung mazo-zoom ba? Ay, hindi. Sorry. Tinatry ko siyang i-zoom, guys. Gimbal locked. Anyway, kaya nga, inaano ko pa rin to eh. Kinakapa ko pa din yung gimbal ko. And currently, it's now 8:21. And papunta na tayo sa office. Yeah, this is the usual routine, guys, na ginagawa ko. And hopefully, yun nga, expectant ako na sana ay maayos yung araw natin today, guys. Ayoko ma-stress. Gusto ko happy lang tayo, as always. Kung may dumating man na stress or issues, hopefully ay magiging kalma lang tayo. Huwag nating sunugin lalo yung tawag dito, yung issue o yung circumstance. Ayan. Nag-upload pala ako ng shorts today and I just miss my mom. Kaya, mom, I just miss my mama. Kaya siya yung nasa video ko. Kaya siya yung nasa short video ko. Ayan, so mag-drive na tayo. Just keep safe always. See you a bit, guys! Hi, guys! Ayan, so dumating na tayo sa office. Yes! Mabilis ako mag-drive. Char! And lalagay ko lang tong window lane, window shield para hindi masyadong mainitan yung natin, yung sasakyan, yung sa loob. Oops, nangyari? Hindi ko naman in-on yung light. Yun ang pinaka-importante kasi protection talaga, no? Protection from Lord habang nagda-drive tayo, guys. Ingat talaga, mag-iingat tayo. Kung may mga times talaga na may mga talagang mga drivers, no, yung ang sarap pang sapakin. Sorry sa term, kasi sobrang nila mag-drive, reckless. May mga ganun talaga, guys. Kahit dito sa Dubai. Kala ko nga sa Pinas lang yun eh, pero meron din pala dito sa Dubai. Kahit minsan, kahit anong gusto mong ingat, kapag yung may nakakasalamuha kang driver na reckless, wala pa din, ikaw pa rin ang dehado. I'm vlogging. Okay, ayan. So, dumating na tayo dito sa office. Hi, good morning. How are you? Good? Kuha lang tayo ng coffee, guys. I'm vlogging. I'm just getting coffee. Are you now doing the approval, right? Anything? How many orders now?
No.
Oh, yeah?
9.
9 only? Okay. Thank you. So,
So, tinatry ko ngayon i-cut yung creamer doon sa coffee kasi, di ba, pag ang kape masarap pag may creamer. Oh my God. Gustong-gusto ko kasi na may creamer, guys. Nasasarapan ako pag may creamer talaga. Ewan ko. Kasi nga siguro syempre yung ano dito, yung kape, hindi masarap. Hindi naman to masyadong malaki yung office namin. Hi, good morning. Hindi naman masyadong malaki yung office. Pero yung, ano, yung tawag dito, may dalawa kaming warehouse. Tatlo pala. For Alphaker, for Unilever, and for cigarettes, BAT cigarettes. Parang kahapon pa to na tubig. Parang nahihirapan si Gimbal sa akin kasi masyado akong magalaw. Masyado akong magaslaw. Talagang tinatrack niya yung face ko kung saan ako pupunta. Thank you, Gimbal. I'm trying to learn the skills of editing. Ayun. Kasan ko lang. So dito meron kami mga tumutulong din sa amin. For example, yung magtitimpla ng kape, ng ano, pero hindi ako nagpapatimpla. Ewan ko, kasi feeling ko kasi I can do it in my own. Tsaka may certain flavor na hindi nila siguro makuha-kuha or baka hindi nila makuha. Never pa naman ako nagpatimpla. Pero may nagtitimpla sa akin noon. Pero tinatanggap ko na lang din kasi nakakahiya. Sila na ngayon nag-effort. Diba? Pero hindi ako yung please, ganon-ganon, yung nagsasabi. Pag magbigay sila sa akin, kusa-kus lang tinatanggap. Hindi ko sila inaano. Parang, pero sinasabihan ko sila na, huwag mo na akong timplahan, ganyan. Kaya ko namang magtimpla. Mas bet kong magtimpla eh. So, yung 3 cucharitas of Nescafe Gold. Nasasarapan ba kayo sa kape na Nescafe Gold, guys? Ako, hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Pero since ito lang yung available na kape, wala akong choice. Pero sa bahay, meron akong sariling kape. 2 scoop lang ng sugar. May sarili akong kape. Ayan lang. Kakaisip ko na naman, nakakalimutan ko na kung anong pangalan ng kape ngayon. Pero masarap siya. Yun din yung kape ng isa kong kasama dito na Emirati. Pero ang nag-introduce, David Off. Ang nag-introduce sa akin yan ay yung amo ko sa dati kong company. Si Sir Adel. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin ng David Off. Hinanap ko talaga siya sa market, guys. And luckily ay nahanap ko siya. Hindi, sikat din siya na kape. Medyo pricey siya ng onte sa Nescafe pero masarap. Lalo na yung crema. Oh my God. Tapos number 7 or number 8 yung tapang. Oh my gosh. Ang sarap talaga, guys. Yung iba kasi, do malaki yung cup. Ito yung cup ko. Do malaki yung cup. Parang gitna lang yung kape nila. Pero ako, gusto kong punong-puno. Wala lang. Bet ko lang puno siya. Ganun din ba kayo, guys? Kwento nyo naman, guys. Tikman natin. I like the tapang. Balik na tayo sa office. Kasi magsa-start na tayo ng work. Everything will be alright. Hi, good morning. Everything will be alright. Everything will be fine, Lord. Please, Jesus. Nagdasal talaga. Off ko muna itong vlog, guys. And I'll see you in a bit. Ingat!
What is that? Unlocks only for Japanese student design smart bra with unlocks only with partners. How can she?
What is technology?
There's no privacy already. Maybe that's only for, you know, for part. Will you allow yourself doing that? Hi guys. Hello. So currently it's now 3:27. Dito pa rin ako nagtatrabaho. Pero natapos ko naman yung isang task ko. Ngayon ay nagsusupport ako ng mga salesman kung meron silang gusto ipa-approve. Please check and able to make the bill. To make the bill if clear. Okay. Check ko muna sa SAP. Kung cleared na ba. Mansoor? This bin Kumairi 15,000 we received the payment? Yeah, again bin Kumairi. September 3, 15,000. No. I mean, they claimed, right, that they paid, the customer paid already. You cleared full. So this is new invoices. That is not clear. 30? Which code you use? Because it's the other code is 1023740. It's not here. I mean, it's still in the system. Amounting 15,109. Yeah, but which code you use to book the check?
1023
1 second,
740
10.
23740.
Yeah, same code.
There is 30,000 check is
Yeah, so meaning you cleared. So this 15,000 is the new balance.
yes.
Okay. One invoice not clear. Okay. So I'll check the aging. Then she's a Z. Say hi, Shazad. Say hi. Dumating ang amo ko. Hey, Shazad. Why? Nothing. Why? No. Many, during my last vlog, right? You're in my vlog. So, they're asking, where is that guy? Again. Filipinos who ask. So, guys, his name is Shazad. Say hi to my friends in YouTube. Yeah. Si Shazadski. Mom Arlene is watching. Now I'm preparing GRV deductions for Metro Manila. Just want to make sure that meron tayong maayos na agent. Shazad, bye-bye. You say bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Make a heart finger. Something like that. Hi guys. Ayan. Kinuha ko lang tong tab para ah, para mapatingnan natin kung may compatible ba na pen. Kasi bala ko nandito na ako mag-e-edit ng videos hindi na sa phone. Tsaka wala din akong budget for laptop pa or bagong laptop. Oh, hi! Nangyari? Ayan. Grabe ang traffic kanina pero buti naman at yung goal natin na 1 hour na biyahe from Russell Core, from my office to Business Bay to Mangkol ay medyo na-achieve naman natin. So 1 hour and 5 minutes. So not bad. Not bad na rin. Basta excited ako. Thankfully, this day, hindi siya masyadong stressful. Wala masyadong issue. Wala masyadong nangungulit sa akin. Or mga nag-make drama. Kaya, medyo okay. So, expected daw na after maybe siguro mga end of the month of September ay magko-cool down na talaga yung weather. And hopefully ay mangyari iyon. So ito yung labas ng bahay namin, guys. So yan yung likod. Sa paggabi, guys, ito yung itsura ng bahay namin. Diba? Yung itsura. Oh my gosh. Yan talaga minsan pag problema pag driver ka. Pagka kahit anong sinabi ko na to kanina sa vlog eh. Pagka kahit anong pilit mong maging maayos yung magmaneho. Pero pagka yung ibang driver ay reckless, wala talaga yung magagawa. Madedehado ka pa rin talaga. Everything will be put into place. Sabi nga na, there's a time for everything. Hold lang tayo dun sa promises ni God. Alright? Ayan guys, so andito ako ngayon sa shop na parati kong pinupuntahan. Parati talaga, hindi naman. 2 beses pa naman. And ayun, so yung meron lang sila yung pen, pero yung holder mismo wala sila, hindi available. Brother, if not available, only like that, oh.
He will bring the keyboard cover, no problem.
Really? Thank you. You know what? I don't go anyone first, only here first. If you're not available, I'll go around.
can bring it. I can arrange.
Thank you. Ayan. Ayan guys, so ina-arrange niya ngayon yung ano natin. What's this? Brother, this is original? Not a refurbished? Huh?
I'm not refurbished.
How much is, what is this?
Notebook. RAM4. The new one.
The latest one? Really? How much now the latest?
Latest you will get 3,200.
But it's okay. You have also DJI Osmo Pocket 3 here, brother.
No problem.
Guys, meron din sila itong DJI. Oh. Yan, so yeah, same ng camera ko na ginagamit ko ngayon. Yan. Yan siya guys, DJI Osmo. Same lang din sa ginagamit ko. Same na same. At saka dito, kompleto din dito guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, meron silang itong bago. MacBook Air. It's fine. I include in my vlog. It's okay.
No issue. You can.
Na issue? Yeah.
Yes.
So I just introduced this to my...
Thank you.
Not
if you
really.
If you have any page, you can add it
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, I
If you don't mind.
also. Yeah, of
No,
course.
bro.
No?
No, you check everywhere. That's what I told you. Can I bring it tomorrow? Is it okay?
Where will you get that tomorrow?
I can go to the market and I can purchase it.
Really?
Really?
What's this?
This keyboard, external keyboard.
How
Bluetooth
much is
keyboard.
this? 95 again? Ay, okay. I think this is fine.
195, not a 95, 195.
195? Oh
This
my
copy,
god.
any device you can use it.
But this is
amazing
too
one.
much.
No, I can give you discount, no problem. 150 dirham I can give you. Yeah, buying this one better for you. You can keep your pocket also.
No, it's fine. This is my concern, that one.
Okay.
Even if there's no keyboard, maybe tomorrow there is, but I need a holder. Do you have that holder?
What
Something like this? That
No, I have the stand.
May I see?
Yes.
So guys, walang keyboard. Meron sila dito pero parang ang mahal na ito. 195. Pero, but brother, is there any other compatible keyboard? I don't need the exact Huawei.
This one.
No, the other one,
With
like
cover you can't
with
get.
cover.
No, you can't get.
Why?
Yeah.
This is a fan.
Not a fan. No, man. No, never. This is 360. Any angle. No, any angle you can.
How much is this?
This one only 65 dirham, bro.
No discount?
360. This is your price, not a customer price. Really.
Where's that pen? I will try to do my.
Baka baka model. Samina mina. Wait. Open here.
But this one needs to charge,
Yes,
or what
there
is?
is cable inside. Charges here. Huh? Put the cable here and then
Okay.
electric.
Okay, let me try first. Try muna natin guys kung tama ba o maayos ba. Maybe because Kuya make bola-bola to me. You want bola-bola?
Bola bola.
Means
Not bola
you're-
bola. Bola bola.
It cannot stop, no? Like I don't want
No,
to.
no, not lock. Not lock.
No lock?
Then you can use like this. No.
Ah, very good. Yeah. Very nice. You're a good salesman.
Yeah.
One second. Yan siya guys. So, tinatry ko lang. Saan yung ano?
Bro, can
One-
you give me a favor?
Yes, brother.
If it is possible, can you make our video and everything, and then you can
Just a
put your
small
page?
time.
Your page?
I'm just a small.
Yeah, bro.
13 Pro 130 GB 77 ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಕ
I'm not that famous yet. It's fine. I am just a small guy here. So no worries.
ದನ್ನೆ ನಾನು
1 second. Auto rotate. Ayan, auto rotate natin. So hinahanap ko yung CapCut. Where's the CapCut?
Battery boot come like GB will come. Battery starting 250 GB होता है बड़ा.
Yeah, I think this is fine. I need this and I need that.
Okay.
Keyboard maybe next time, if
Okay, no
ever.
problem.
Huh?
Take my card when you came. Before call me, then I can arrange it.
Sure.
That's better.
Give me both discount. No, my friend. Huh? Ayan,
I put it-
my
my
friend
card,
will gonna give me discount, guys.
Of course.
Of course.
See,
I like it.
I mean only one piece.
Only one piece, my gosh, Baba.
Whatever by the cover, bro.
Alright, so guys, ayan, nakabili na tayo, guys. Ayan na. Nabili na natin yung gusto natin bilhin. Kaso nga lang, wala siya yung compatible na keyboard na gustong-gusto ko for my tab. However, ay nakuha naman natin yung contact number ni Amir. So, kakausapin lang natin siya. I-message siya kung meron na ba silang stock on. Ayan. So, this is my 4th product na nabili ko na sa Corner View. Kaya guys, kung meron kayong gustong bilhin, gadgets or something na interesting para sa inyo or kailangan nyo ng accessories sa mga gadgets nyo, I highly recommend Corner View. Ayan, dito lang siya sa Al Ain Center. Al Ain Center. Al Ain Center lang siya, guys. Ayan. So, patuloy na tayo maglalakad, guys. Hindi pa ako nakapag-dinner. Hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. Kasi ayoko kumain muna sa labas, guys. Kasi parang sunod-sunod na yung kain ko sa labas. Kaya, Meron pa naman akong naiwang pagkain, pwede kong lutuin or pwede kong kainin. Yun lang muna tayo. At saka, ano din, budget muna tayo. Budget meal. And so, andito pa rin tayo sa Mangkul side. Mangkul, Bordobay. Ayan, guys. Nakakapagod pala magbitbit ng ganito. Pero, unlike dati na yung ginagamit kong camera ay yung medyo malaki, at least itong Osmo Pocket 3, maliit lang siya and it's really nice. It's really nice na dalhin. Very compact. Lightweight siya. And ayun, sa mga nagbabalak din na mag-content creation or maging content creator, kung may budget kayo, I highly recommend to buy Osmo. Osmo Pocket 3. Ayan. So meron din ditong restaurant, guys. This is Lebanese Village and Restaurant. Feeling ko hinahanda na nila yung sa labas kasi sooner or later ay lalamig na din. Kaya abang-abang lang tayo. Hindi pa ako nakakain dito. Though dito sa area na to, 3 years, almost 3 years na ako, pero hindi pa ako nakakain dito sa Lebanese Village. Subukan natin one of these days. Ayan. Alright. So, dito tayo, guys. Pwede nang mag-cross kasi naka-green na eh. Ayan. Pero compared kahapon, sobrang init kahapon. Ngayon, medyo umokay na yung pakiramdam. I mean, umokay na yung weather. Which is good. Wait lang. Nag-iisip ako, meron ba talaga akong naiwan? Feeling ko meron pa akong naiwan eh. Check lang tayo, guys. 'Di ba? So, dumating na tayo sa building namin. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo, guys, sa pagtutok sa akin o pakikinig sa akin. And I'm so grateful sa mga buhay ninyo. Hopefully ay naging masaya at maayos yung mga araw ninyo. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Bye-bye. I have my friend here, Khaled. Hi, Khaled. Yes. Bye-bye, guys.